Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. It is May 7th. I can't believe it's already Thursday. I feel like this week went by so quickly, but I just finished getting ready for today. I'll show you guys my outfit of the day and my big OOTD mirror, but then I'm gonna get started. I have to film 2 videos for my channel today, so I'm super excited. It's gonna be a very busy and fun and productive day. So this is the current fit. I woke up and I was like freezing this morning, so I was like, okay, it's gonna be a jean and sweater type day. So my sweater is just from Brandy Melville. It's like a one size fits all. I've had it forever. And then I just have on some dark wash skinny jeans from Abercrombie & Fitch. And my penny loafers are from Sperry Topsider. I think they're seriously so stinking cute. And then I just have on my Daniel Wellington watch and the little cup. And on this hand I just have a bunch of bangles. I recently filmed a video on my channel all about my everyday arm candy, which all of these bracelets are included in that, in case you guys want to check it out and find all the details on every single one and kind of get a little close-up of them. But I'm going to set up all the lighting to start filming some videos because I want to film 2 today and just kind of get productive, and I'm probably going to get some more water to stay hydrated. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. So I just finished completing an order on my Etsy. They're seriously so cute, you guys. I sell these little bracelets and I have to show you these because they're custom colors, which is so much fun. And I'm about to package them up to ship them out today. Pink color combo. I've never done this before, but it's like really pretty because it's like a dark pink and then a light pink. We have like a blue and a green and orange and yellow, and then a blue one. I just think these are so fun. These are the custom ones on my site, so feel free to check them out. I just finished packaging up those bracelets. I'm gonna go run to the post office and drop those in soon. Me and John are just gonna run a few errands. Like I need to run to the bank and we're gonna grab lunch. And I did change because I filmed an OOTW and I changed into all the outfits that I've been wearing this week to share it with you guys, but I decided to keep this one on, so I'll show you guys my outfit next. But I've just been doing daily videos, which is so much fun. Today's video, which will go up earlier than this one, is my preppy on a budget. So if you haven't seen that and you're new to the preppy style or just need some tips on how to dress preppy on a budget, be sure to check that video out. It's seriously so helpful. I feel like I've been getting tons of requests on it, so if you want to see it, check it out. I'll insert a card, but I'll show you guys my outfit and then we're gonna go run a few errands, grab lunch, and then I have to come back and edit and everything, but I'll bring you guys along with me. This is the fit. It is just this striped tee from Romwe. I feel like I've been wearing this non-stop this week. Like I just put it out of my closet and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot how much I love this top. Then I just have on some ripped jeans from Abercrombie & Fitch. They're literally the same jeans, they're just ripped up, which I feel like kind of adds a little different look with the top. And then I just have on the Sperry penny loafers still. Super simple look, but I really like it, and it's kind of warming up outside. Like it's a little bit more sunny. This morning I woke up and I was freezing, so I put like a sweater on and everything, but I was like, that might be a little too much. But I'm gonna put some lip gloss on and then we're gonna get going. We're with John.
Hi.
Hi, John.
How's it going?
It's good.
Good.
Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday.
So we are on the way to the post office and to the bank.
Yes.
Very exciting adultish errands going on.
Yes.
And then we gotta get lunch. So what do you want for lunch?
That's your choice.
We need like a good, like something we can eat outside. You know what I mean?
There are so many options.
I know. Like low-key kind of feeling Qdoba.
I agree.
You vibe with that?
I was thinking the same thing.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes.
All right. So we're gonna go run some errands, get some Qdoba. Hopefully that one lady's not working there. We've been going to Qdoba so much that this lady has been working there. I think we went like 4 times so far this month.
Yeah, at least.
And 3 of the 4 times she's been working there. Yeah.
Yo, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Wow, there's a cup on the wow. It's really Qdoba.
A dramatic zoom.
For you, Jay. Got the goods.
Got the goods.
Got the goods. I'm like really awkward to do in a car. But we're gonna go to the park.
Yes.
And eat our Cordova.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Very.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
So we just got back from lunch at the park, and seriously, it was just so much fun. We've been having so much fun going to the park and having little picnics or just going for walks, and we wear our mask and everything and then have hand sanitizer in the car and Lysol wipes and everything. But it's just nice to get some fresh air and enjoy the sunshine when we can. But I changed into workout clothes. I'm gonna go do a home workout in a little bit. I've been doing home workouts like the old school like DVDs and stuff, and oh my goodness, I love them. I feel like I've been so consistent on my workout game since the quarantine, just because I have so much time on my hands. I also have to edit today's video, that way you can have a video to watch since I'm doing daily videos, which speaking of, since I am doing daily videos, I've been doing daily shoutouts, so I need to do the shoutouts of the day. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I also got a package in the mail that I want to share with you guys, and so I'm gonna go get that real fast. Alright you guys, so let's do the comment of the day shout out and the post notification shout out first. So if you guys don't know what this is, I've been doing shout outs in every single video, so if you read the description box, I have all the details on that. Today's post notification shout out goes out, I don't know how to pronounce your username, so I'm just gonna put it on the screen. Notification Squad, you give me life. Thank you so much for commenting and joining the notification squad and having my notifications on. You guys seriously mean the world to me. And then the comment of today goes out to Prep Nation. Friday's polo is adorbs. Great look tucked in with your jeans. Very neat and put together. Thank you so much. I'm glad you like that outfit. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will insert a card. It was my outfit of the week for last week, and it's just so much fun. I love being able to share my outfits with you guys because I feel like it's just fun to get dressed up even though I'm not going anywhere. Just keeping a little bit of my routine in my life is so nice. But those are the comments of the day. Again, if you want a chance to have your comment on my channel as a shout out, be sure to check out the description box down below, and then I want to share with you guys what I got in the mail. So I came home to this package. I'm seriously so excited. So it is from ELLIE Activewear, which I will have it listed down below for you guys. I get their workout sets sent to me monthly, and I seriously love them. Some of my favorite workout clothes are from them, and they're just so soft and colorful, but they're also like really trendy and like what's hip and everything, because they're new every month. And since I've started working with them, it's been like a year or two. It's so exciting because now when you join, you have different options for like which workout set you're going to pick, because it first started off with like just one and you kind of get like a random one, but each month you get to pick out of like 4 or 5 outfit sets, which is so cool. So I picked out this neon one, which I just thought was perfect. I love wearing neon in the spring and summer. So it is just this crop top neon tank with a little cut in the back, which is seriously so stinking cute. I get all of my ELLIE Activewear sets in a size medium, and then it came with some black leggings, and these are just like capri length. They have the little pocket on the side, and these are so soft. They remind me of the Lululemon Align leggings, how soft they are. And these are cropped, but since I'm only 5'4", they kind of fit like regular leggings. And then it just came with the matching black sports bra, which that's such a cute workout set. I can't wait to wear that. I'll probably wear it tomorrow when I work out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I need to go work out, and then I'm going to start editing, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my next video. Bye guys!